this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off the talkback, where you get like a little voice narration every time you move around the screen on your Android phone. Now, I'm using the Motorola G Stylus 5G. I want to scroll on down from the top, then go to Settings right here, and then we want to locate Accessibilities, Display Interaction Audio. Let's go to Accessibilities right here, and then here is Talkback Off, Speak Items on the Screen. Just simply turn this off right here, and then you won't hear anything talk to you. So let's close this down, and this gets really annoying.
Stop talkback. Tapping stop will stop talkback. Out of
so
list.
Let's tap stop. And you might have to tap it a few times.
Stop. Stop. Talkback off.
And that is how you turn it off. Now it does say down here how to turn off talkback. Now if you didn't go through the settings to do it, you can use the volume keys, press and hold both volume keys for a few seconds. Then you can go to Settings, tap Use Talkback. There will be an outline. Double tap it. On the confirmation message, tap Stop. There will be an outline. Double tap it. So you want to double tap the screen. Otherwise, you can hold down both volume keys to stop it too. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on YourSixTech.